Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is related to carbon and its compound. As you know that carbon and its compound, carbon is a tetravalent compound. Tetravalent compound, and tetravalent compound means carbon satisfies its 4 valency. Carbon electronic configuration 2 and 4. It's require 4 electron to complete its octet. Now sequence of carbon. Carbon is found in the atmosphere inside the earth crust. Here it is written that carbon is found in the atmosphere inside the earth crust and in all the living organisms. Carbon is present in fuel like wood, coal, petroleum, natural gas and biogas and Mars gas. Carbon is present in all the compound like carbonate, hydrogen carbonate, and carbon is found in the free state. You know that allotropes of carbon is diamond, graphite and fluorine. Here the pictures are given. Wood, diamond, fluorine. Okay, these all are the sources or occurrence of carbon. Form of carbon. You all know that carbon allotropes are graphite, diamond, fluorine. Okay. Graphite is composed of layer of carbon atom that are arranged in 6-member hexagonal ring. Okay, the structure about the structure of graphite is given here. A carbon atom is bonded to 4 other carbon. Okay, I will show you the structure, how these structures are formed. And fluorine are the allotropic form of carbon consisting of pure carbon, and well-known example is C60, which is known as Buckminster fullerene. Buckminster fullerene. This is the name. Okay, now next slide. Graphite, diamond, and the structures of Buckminster fullerene is given. This is the synthetic allotropes of carbon. Now see the structure of graphite. You know that graphite is used in pencils. You know that diamond is also used in various objects. Okay. Now see, graphite is used in pencil and lubricant. It is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Obviously, you know that. This is the structure of graphite. Okay. This is the structure. And this is the structure of Buckminster fullerene. It is also known as C60. It is a football shape like fullerene. What shape? Football, like a shape. Football shape. Now see in the next slide, bonding in carbon covalent bond. You know that which type of bonding occur in carbon? Covalent type of bonding occur. Bonding in carbon covalent bond. You know that carbon is forming tetravalent compound, so it forms covalent bond. Okay, it requires 4 electron to complete its octet. Understood? Now see what point is given. It does not gain 4 electron because the difficulty for the 6 proton to hold 10 electron. It does not lose 4 electron because large amount of energy loses. That's why it forms a covalent bond for the stability of the compound. Now next slide. Formation of covalent bond. You know that carbon lead to the formation of covalent bond. You know that carbon lead to the formation of. You know that the formation of covalent bond occur by sharing of electron. How covalent occur? By sharing of electron. Formation of covalent bond. Covalent bond is a chemical bond formed by the sharing of electron between the atoms. Now see the formation of a covalent bond in hydrogen. It's formed single bond. Single bond in the case of hydrogen. Next, formation of double bond in covalent bond. Now the example of this is oxygen. Example of double bond is oxygen and triple bond is nitrogen. Now see in the next slide. Electron dot structure. Methane molecule and ethane molecule. It's formed tetravalent, you know, 2 carbon form 3 hydrogen bonds with the 3 hydrogen. Now this is the methane molecule. Lewis dot structure and ethane molecule. Always remember carbon is a tetravalent. Now next, versatile nature of carbon. You know that carbon form tetravalency. Versatile nature of carbon means carbon form catenation. Catenation means carbon has the ability to form long chain, branch chain and closed chain. So it is known as the property of catenation. Now see, carbon atom can form bond with other carbon atom to form the long chain. As I told you, this is the property of catenation. Tetravalency of carbon. Tetravalency means carbon form 4 bond to make a stable compound. This is the another property of carbon and the versatile nature of carbon. Now next, there is a saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. You know that saturated hydrocarbon means there is the presence of single bond, methane, ethane, and unsaturated means there is the presence of double and triple bond. What is isomerism? Carbon compound having the same molecular formula but different structural formula are called isomerism. Means now see, this is a butane and this is isobutane. Butane means C4H10. Formula is structural for C. The formula is same but structure is different. Now see the functional group. You know that aldehyde. This is the functional group of aldehyde, ethanol, carboxylic acid, ketone. Now see homologous series. What is homologous series? Methane, ethane, propane, butane means homologous series means a series of a group of carbon compound having similar structure. Carbon compound having similar structure, similar chemical properties. The successive member differ by CH2 group. Alkene. Formula CnH2n. You can find the homologous compound respective compound. Alkyne have general molecular formula CnH2n minus 2. Now see the nomenclature. IUPAC means international, union, pure, applied chemistry. This is the full form of IUPAC. Now chain, longest chain. Okay, this is the first rule. And IUPAC nomenclature always depend on the 3 factors. What factors? Prefix. Okay, prefix, suffix, and root word. Okay. Method of naming a carbon atom. First, identify the number of carbon atom. Means we have to identify the number of carbon atom. Second, the presence of functional group. Okay. If there is a presence of functional group, then we have to indicate it in the suffix or the prefix. I will tell you which is indicated in the suffix or which is indicated in the prefix. If the suffix of the functional group begins with the vowel, then E is deleted and it is replaced by the Now third point, if the suffix of the functional group begin with the vowel, the final letter E is deleted from the name of the carbon chain. Means propane with a ketone group, propane E is deleted and propanone. Now fourth rule, for unsaturated carbon chain, the final ane is substituted. Unsaturated carbon chain means double bond or triple bond. Ene is replaced by ene or wine. Means propane is transformed into propene. Now next, every IUPAC name had three parts. I told you prefix, root and suffix. Now what will be the root word? 1 methane, 2 ethane, 3 propane, butane, hex, hep, off, non, dec. Okay, now see, number of carbon atom. This is the example. One example is given here. The number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to consider the longest chain. So number of carbon atom pent. So root word will be 5. Now next, what will be the prefix we will consider? Now see, there are the two type of prefix: primary prefix and secondary prefix. Secondary prefix indicate the presence of side chain or the substituent group. Means this is the example. In this example, okay, what we will do? We will give the prefix the lowest possible number. If we give this number from this side, same number, and from this side also same number. Always consider longest chain. Means 3 methyl and presence of single bond means pentane. Now primary suffix indicate what? Primary suffix means it is used in the suffix form. Means if cyclo is used, so it will be used in the suffix form. Now next, see what would be the root word is used with the help of suffix. Now see, if single bond, then ene will be used. Okay, single bond ene will be used, double bond ene, and triple bond wine will be used. Now it is given in the case of methane. Okay, ethane, ethene and ethine, propene, propine, butene, butine, pentene, pentine, hexene, hexine. Okay, methane means one carbon atom. You know that only the two carbon atom will present, then only triple and double bond will exist. Okay, so those carbon have to fulfill its tetravalency. Now next is secondary suffix. Is the functional group generally written after the primary suffix. You know that secondary suffix is always written after the primary suffix. Now see, this is the example: pent to ol. Always given lower priority to the functional group. Okay, always given lower priority to the functional group. Lower priority functional group. Now see, what will be the naming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see, which is the secondary suffix. Well, which will be used as a secondary suffix. So as a secondary suffix, pen to all. All का position 2 है and pen to all. Clear? Now see, these are the functional group used as a suffix. Amide, nitrile, al, ol, amine, ene, ine. Now this is the prefix. You know that some functional group is used as a prefix and some is used as a prefix. Carbox is used as a prefix, sulfeno is used as a prefix, OH is used as a hydroxy is used as a prefix. Now see, in this example, CH3CH, OH is given the lowest priority. So naming will be given that 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now see OH priority, how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So but. And is used because single bond, primary suffix and secondary suffix, ol is used. And prefix chloro. You know that chloro is always used as a prefix. So some functional group is used as a prefix and some functional group used as a suffix. That this root word, suffix and prefix are used for nomenclature. Now always determine longest chain. And some functional group are used as a prefix and some are used as a suffix. Suffix example ol, alcohol, okay, aldehyde, carboxylic, and some are used as a prefix such as carboxy, OH, hydroxy. Now third, if there is a presence of double bond or triple bond, it will be added in the prefix. Ene is converted to ene and wine. Thank you.